Hello guys, welcome to CAD Engine tutorial on ArchiCAD 20, and in this video we will be handling the Morph tool. But before we do that, I would like you to subscribe and hit the notification button for you to get updates of when I post a video, so you can watch and follow up the tutorials and become the legend that you want to be in ArchiCAD. In the last video we handled the cutting wall tool, and in this video we will be handling the Morph tool. The Morph tool, unlike the slab tool and the cutting wall tool, it can be used for diverse things. The Morph is the tool you can use to achieve complex irregular shapes in ArchiCAD. Maybe there is something you want to model in ArchiCAD, you can do it with the Morph tool. And you can as well convert things that you did, maybe an initial model that you made in ArchiCAD, convert it to Morph, then edit it precisely with the Morph tool. So let's get to that. Now this is the Morph tool, and here are the ways in which you can put the Morph tool in place. This is the ways, with the rectangular ways, the circular ways. Let's just stick to this rectangular ways. Now this is a Morph, as you can see that. Now let me just undo that. Now we have this one, which you can put to any angle and then make a square, and this is also a Morph. Let me just undo that. Then we come to this one, which you just draw the radius of the circle, and then you draw the circle to complete the Morph. Now this is a Morph. This is a Morph. Now, and this one is the one, as you can see, it has 3 lines. This one to this point, and then this one, it shows the height, which means it is a thick Morph. Now it will show you, it will ask you the extrusion length. The extrusion length is just the height. Let me say 2 meters. 2 meters. When you hit OK, it is the Morph. And when you go to the 3D window, and then maybe let's take measurement of the Morph here. Let's take the measurement. You can see, you will see that it is 2 meters. That is it right there. It is 2 meters. So thank you. We just do that. Now this is an intricate one. This is a stylish Morph. This one, sorry I didn't mention this earlier, this Morph geometry method is the one that you use, on a normal, in ArchiCAD you don't draw lines in 3D. If you draw a line like this, let me say, let's go here, this is a line tool. Now if you draw a line in ArchiCAD, if you go to 3D window, you won't see the line. If you hit the fit in window, you won't see the line. Now if you want this line to come out in 3D, you have to do it with the Morph tool. Now let me draw that line again. Now this is a line, but it is a Morph tool. Now when you go to 3D window, you will see the line. Now this is the line that we drew, which is represented by the Morph tool. So this is how you draw 3D. You draw lines in 3D in ArchiCAD, and you can as well check the move node button, so you can move it maybe left, right, up or down, whatever, in any way you want to do it. Go to the move node button, and then you can move the node in any way. As you can see, it is a line that is going in diverse directions, and it's a 3D line. It is a 3D line here. So you can as well insert another node. As you can see, it is a line in 3D, so you can draw lines in 3D using the Morph tool. So that is that. And now this is an intricate one. This geometry method is an intricate one. Now this method is used when you want to get the shape of something. Let me get the shape of this. If I want to draw maybe now it will show you this. Now when you see this button, you click at the vertex there, and then you tell it, okay, I want it to be rotated in the angle that you specify. The angle that you specify for that, it will now be the angle that it will rotate it. Now say 180 degrees. Now it will rotate it in a cylindrical form, and when you go to the 3D window, you will now see this in a cylindrical form, which is in 180 degrees, which you have specified. Can you see that? Okay, let me just undo that. Now we have a column. Now we have a column here. This, if you highlight this is a column. Now you can select this and then go to this convert selection to morphs, which this will pop up. You don't mind it since you want to convert to morph, and you hit OK. Now if you hover over this again, it is now a morph. Now when you hover over this, as you get a morph, now you can make the necessary adjustments and edits on this morph. Now for this one, I can choose to curve the edges. There are some adjustments that you can make to a morph. Now I have selected this morph, but I have selected the whole body. Now I want to select only this face on the morph, only this face. Now you hold down Control key and then the Shift key. Now you will see on that face of morph, if you select that, now only this face will be thicker in green, which means it is only this face that you have selected. Now face of morph again, I can come here and click, and then I will say fillet and chamfer. Let me use 50 for only that edge. Can you see that? Now I can do the same thing for these 4 edges, and they will come out very smooth. You hold Control and Shift to select. I want to make a smooth curve at the edges here, and later I will make a smooth curve around the faces, around all these edges. Now I'll make a smooth curve, and this is a pillar that I converted into a morph, as you all know. So let me make the smooth curve around the edge. I don't need a sharp edge at this morph. So this is what you do. Now around the edges, I want to edit the edges, so I will select only the edges that will be involved in this editing, and the edges that will be involved are this edge, and this edge, for me to get a smooth curve around that edge. So what do? I will select the edge, because I cannot just select the morph. If you select the morph and start editing the edge, although you will get it. So let me try editing the edge from here. Now this one, it will work in this way. Now you click on the edge that you want to edit. This is moving the node. Now you go to here, fillet and chamfer corners. Now take a radius, fillet or chamfer. Chamfer is the one that you have a flat face. Now fillet is one that you have a curved face. You see it. Let me fillet with radius of 75. With fillet with radius of 75. Now if you want to have a custom resolution for that fillet, because it's going to give you a curve, then you check this and write your resolution. I don't want to have a custom resolution, I want to have a general resolution, so I don't want that. So I hit OK. Now it will now give me a smooth curve. As you can see here, it is now giving me a smooth curve. Now if I want to do this, I will check this, and then if I want to do it once for all distance, for all the edges or corners, I will give it to all corners. Now it will apply that to all corners, to all the corners, even the ones at the bottom, even the corners below. So that is, now it has given me a smooth edge, a smooth edges across all the corners, as you can see that. Now let me do this one. Let me say 75, apply to all edges. Now as you can see, this is another way of doing this. Now you are seeing lines and lines around this morph that made it to look like maybe it's in bricks form. You want to have a smoother edge, so you select the morph, then you go here, go to modify morph and go to modify segmentation. Now you check more segmentation, double segments, then you hit OK. It will now give you a smoother feel, a smoother look of the morph. If you feel that, oh, I don't have a smoother look on this morph, now you can go back and say modify morph, modify segmentation, and give you more segments. Now this will give you a smoother look, a very smooth curves around the morph. But the smoother the curve, the more heavy the morph will be, because using morphs in your project, in your work, in your design, it is very heavy. It is very heavy. So you don't want to use more segments when you are still on the editing mode. So the next thing we will do to a morph is to merge bodies of the morph. Is to merge the bodies of the morph. I will comment to this. I will still handle this, but let us know what and what you can do to a morph. That is the third tool I'm using here. So we select this morph, hold Ctrl and Shift to select one part of the morph, then Ctrl to select another part, go to modify morph. We want to merge faces of the morph. I say smooth and merge faces. You preserve the boundaries, or you keep you smoothing the boundaries. Now, as you can see now, this has given us another feel. If it is something that water can flow down, water will flow down because of this here. Now you can create, you can take this, let's make the morph irregular. Now look at this, it has given us another shape of the morph. It has given us another shape. It has given us a sharp edge. It has given us another shape of the morph. Let me make it a bigger one. Let me make it a bigger one there. ways you can edit and make the morph irregular. This looks like some kind of a seed for outside. Some kind of seed for outside. And these are ways you can make the morph irregular. For now, let's stop here. For now, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.